There will be many times when you'll be asked to find the y-intercept of an equation when it's not directly given to you in the table. As you can see, as we travel from Rome to Moscow, it is not directly stated what the y-intercept is because there's no x equals 0 point. Okay, therefore, you're going to have to do some work to find the y-intercept. What we do know is that the point 0, 0 is Lisbon, Portugal. So you can visualize an x-axis and a y-axis. That will put Italy at 500, 200, and Moscow at 2500, 1000. And that'll be written right over here. And now we're going to use a formula called the point-slope formula in order to find the y-intercept of the equation. So first, let's find the slope of the equation. So like you did before, here you do y2 minus y1, so it would be 1000 minus 200. And then 2500 minus 500. You gotta remember which one's the second point and which one's the first point. So that gives us, sorry, let me make it look neater. 800 over 2000, which once you do some simplifying, that simplifies down to 2/5. Man, what is going on? 2/5. There we go. Okay, so that gives us our m. And now, what we'll do is we'll plug in the another point along with x equals 0 to find the y-intercept of the equation, because the y-intercept is when x equals 0, and so what we'll do is we'll plug in Rome. So Rome is y2, so that'd be 200, and then we don't know the y1, and then we know the slope, so 2/5 times x2, so x2 is 500, and then our second point is x equals 0, because that's when that'll give us the y-intercept. So this is the point 500, 200, which is right there, and then what we know about the y, we don't know the y-coordinate of the y-intercept, but we do know the x-coordinate always is going to be x equals 0. So now we'll just have to do some regular algebra in order to find the answer of y equals 1. So 2/5 of 500 would be, sorry, let me, 200, do some simple math. So 200 equals 200 minus y1, and then we'll move the 200 to the other side. Sorry, put the y1 there. And that gives us, oh, it works out actually to be 0. So, yep, and then you divide by -1, and that would just give you 0. So in this equation, in this example, you lucked out, and the answer is actually y equals 0. But there might be other times where you will not get the answer. So let me end this question real quick. So then our final answer would be, for our equation, would be y equals 2/5. 2/5 x, and then plus 0, because that's the equation that's in the form of y equals mx, which is the slope, plus b, where b is the y-intercept.